Okay, in previous video we learned about trick for ionization energy, electronegativity and atomic radius. Now we will discuss about melting point, boiling point and density. Okay, now melting point. Melting point can be learned with a easy trick, batting. Okay, now Dhoni, what we will do? Dhoni will do the batting. So here note that melting point and boiling point of group 13 and 14 will decrease down the group, but for the group 15, 16, 17 there is a increase. There is a increase in the increasing order. Okay, now here see. Group 13 melting point can be learned with a easy trick batting. Here the group we said that for group 13 and 14 there is a decrease in the melting point along the group. But at fourth and fifth position the order will be reversed. How to remember? The group 14 means 4, next group is 4 and 5. Okay, now 4 and 5. Here the melting point of group 15 can be learned with a increase up to the third element. Increase up to nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic. Then they will decrease. Means nitrogen will have highest, phosphorus, arsenic. Here decreasing will take place. Decreasing will take place means bismuth will have least, then antimony, then arsenic. Okay, now I think you understand that. Okay, now but for group 16 and group 17 there is no exception about melting point and boiling point. Here I said earlier boiling point and melting point of group 13 and 14 will decrease gradually. Okay, now decrease gradually. Here see, here decreasing gradually along without any exception. Here see, gradually decreasing along without any exception in group 14, but group 15, group 16, group 17 electronegativity melting point and boiling point will increase. Note this point, will increase in group 15, 16, 17. Okay, now I will discuss about now I will discuss about electron affinity. Electron affinity of group 13, 14, 15. Group 15 is not given. They given group 16 and group 17. Very important. Group 16 and 17. Here see, electron affinity generally decrease down the group, but oxygen is supposed to have very highest electron affinity, but having very low electron affinity due to inter-electron repulsions because of small size there are lone pairs. Due to lone pair repulsion, it is having electron affinity low. Here the electron affinity, earlier I said that they gradually decreased on the group. Here fluorine should be have highest, but the fluorine having low electron affinity than the chlorine because due to inter-electronic repulsion. In this way you can learn the electron affinity trick. Density gradually increase along all the period without any in the all the group without any exception. In group 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 there is no exception about it. Nature of oxide. Every year we will get one question, pakka question from oxides. How to remember nature of trioxides of boron family? A square B means first is acid, then acid. See, A square B means first letter is acid, then two are amphoteric, then is basic. A square B. Okay, now here we know that group 14 elements from monooxides and dioxides. Here see how to remember. First you write all the monooxides and dioxide in this order, and you write this as a dabba. If this dabba is acidic, CO is neutral, and